In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Asana form in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and allows you to create perfect forms for collecting information from your team or clients efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the Asana homepage. If you're not logged in yet, you'll need to do so to begin creating your form. On the Asana login page, you should enter your email address to continue. Make sure you're using the correct email associated with your Asana account. Once you have entered your email, go ahead and click on the Continue button. Next, you'll need to enter your password on the designated field. A helpful tip: if you're on your personal computer, you might want to save this password in your browser for quicker access next time. After you've typed in your password, click on the Login button. Once you're logged in, you will land on your Asana homepage. From here, locate the project you are planning to work on, where you will be adding your new form. Click on the specific project to open it. On the project page, glance towards the right side of the screen and you should find the Customize option. Go ahead and click on that. In the customization options, look for the Forms section and click to access it. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an Add button. Click this to begin the process of creating your form. Now it's time to give your form a name. Naming your form clearly and concisely helps you and your team to identify it quickly in future. After naming your form, it's time to add questions. Adding questions is as simple as clicking a plus symbol or the evident Add Question button. Asana provides an intuitive drag and drop interface for organizing the questions. You can add multiple questions according to your needs. Simply drag and drop the new question type from the menu if you'd like to rearrange the order or add additional queries. As a handy feature, Asana allows you to select the type of response format you want for each question, whether it's text, multiple choice, or something else. This flexibility ensures your form caters exactly to your information collection needs. Once you've tailored each segment to your specifications and are satisfied with the structure and questions, it's time to publish your form. Just click on the Publish button located conveniently at the top or bottom of your form page. And there you have it. You've successfully created an Asana form. This can now be used to collect organized information from your team or clients. Thank you for following along with me today, and happy form building. Feel free to explore different features to further customize your Asana experience.